Tari Royang Han Kiribati. Digi Zakawate, Demeo.
One of the features of the Earth that composes most of the planet's hydrosphere is the ocean, and which is now becoming a prominent recipient of climate change impact. The Pacific Ocean covers most of the Earth's basin, casing more than 155 million square kilometers. Kiribati is a low-lying Micronesian island in the Pacific that retains most of the Earth's water space and is one of the top vulnerable countries in the face of climate change. The current government of Kiribati, with its aim to remain resilient and to create a more sustainable future for its people, is working intensively towards safeguarding and protecting its blue ocean.
The PIPA stands for the Phoenix Islands Protected Area, and it comprises of 8 low-lying atoll islands, the surrounding encompassing a total area of 250 square kilometers, which represent 11% of the entire Kiribati EEZ, a spawning ground for tuna, all tuna species.
There are a few activities that the Coastal Fisheries Division have been working on to manage and conserve our marine resources, to go into aquaculture, that is, try to raise their own fish for their own consumption and also for the market. We deployed FAD. FAD is a fish aggregating device, so that people will move out from the coastal areas and fish the open water, such as species such as tuna and other pelagic species.
One of the activities that we have long been involved in is the demarcation of the Kiribati maritime boundaries.
A few activities that are in place now within the Marine Department improve the implementation of the posted inspections on foreign vessels coming into our ports. We also educate them on the negative impacts on the marine pollution to keep our oceans clean.
In terms of safeguarding the ocean, we have specific fishing methods, includes long line fishing methods, help sustain the resources. So like I said, if we keep on doing MSC, and if we do this current long line fishing techniques, this will help trade, and the people outside the market will think that the tuna from our company is sustainably caught, legally caught, regulated and reported the catch. So this will promote the trade in terms of the region and the world market.
The impact of climate change has been really hard on the marine life, in particular on the corals, and of course we have experienced certain times. There are times when the tuna is migrating to other waters. Pacific narrative, we see a collective voice by the region to the bigger body like the UN to address issues that concerns the Pacific Islands. As you are aware, we have own large oceans, and it's important that we should come up with the issues that are affecting the health of our oceans. So it's important that we combine our concerns and then bring it up to the UN.
Focusing on challenges that can be used for opportunities, such as lack of capacity and science information. Like other small island developing states, we depend on the information and science available or provided to us at the regional dialogues. We do not have the capacity of our own to conduct or confirm this information.
Naron na restaurari sinanok. Naron ti misina kia bubura. Agi ana bubuya kana ngaya ni naria ni ka wari kia ke pare. Ngaya euruana bete. Aramerawa